Hello family, welcome to Mind Again. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, I'm so glad to have you back. Today, we're tuning into something really interesting about INFP jobs that will survive the AI revolution. Since its inception, AI has changed the game in many professions. AI can do graphic design, proofreading, editing, and the like, but it cannot do everything. No matter how AI tries to replace humans in many aspects, humans possess many more unique qualities that cannot be replaced. Take INFPs, for example, our central personality for today. INFPs have so many unique traits that AI cannot replicate. These traits have made them stand out in specific careers, which will remain valuable regardless of AI advancements. Today, let's talk about 5 careers where INFP's natural talents are very much needed, making the job relevant in the artificial intelligence age. INFPs make excellent mental health counselors because they have a knack for understanding people's feelings and do not necessarily need to talk to someone before they figure it out. By merely observing a person, they can read you and understand your emotions and the emotions behind the emotions you display. Also, they listen without judgment. When they talk to someone, they give much attention and encourage them to share their problems. While AI can provide basic mental health advice, it cannot replace the human connection that happens when someone shares their deepest struggles with a caring counselor. INFPs bring emotion, warmth, and genuine care during therapy sessions that machines cannot copy. As the need for mental health awareness becomes more important in our society, skilled counselors will remain in high demand. Despite AI's growing abilities in design, user experience, UX, design remains a field where human insight is crucial. INFPs can excel here because they naturally consider how people feel about everything. They can put themselves in the user's shoes and design intuitive and meaningful products. AI might generate layouts and graphics, but won't get the human understanding needed to create truly user-centered designs. INFPs, as empathetic and creative beings, have the traits required for this field, ensuring technology serves human needs rather than vice versa. Teaching children with special needs requires endless patience, empathy, and the ability to connect with each unique student. INFPs are the right personality for the job because they often have a gentle nature and creativity to help these children learn and grow. They can spot the specific needs of each student and adapt their teaching methods accordingly. AI might assist with some teaching tasks, but the emotional intelligence and personal connection INFPs offer cannot be programmed. Their ability to see potential in every child makes them irreplaceable in the classroom. Art therapy combines 2 areas where INFPs excel: creativity and helping others. As art therapists, INFPs guide people to express feelings through drawing, painting, or other creative outlets. This work allows clients to process trauma, reduce stress, or manage mental health conditions. AI may generate impressive artwork, but cannot guide someone through the healing process of creating art. The INFP's ability to connect creative expression with emotional healing makes this career both fulfilling and AI-proof. Many INFPs feel strongly about protecting nature and creating a better world for all. As environmental advocates, they can fight for causes they believe in and speak boldly about the change they seek. Whether working for nonprofits, government agencies, or community groups, INFPs can help solve complex environmental problems that require human values and ethical thinking. Although AI can analyze environmental ecology, it cannot replace the passion and moral compass that INFPs bring to saving natural life resources. The common thread in all 5 careers is human connection. Each requires understanding people's emotions, needs, and experiences in ways AI cannot match. INFPs thrive in these roles because they align with their core strengths: empathy, creativity, and living by strong personal values. As AI develops, jobs requiring emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and creative problem solving will become even more valuable. For INFPs who worry about job security in a changing world, focusing on careers that highlight human connection offers purpose and protection from automation. You will remain valuable no matter what.